Welcome back to my channel and some news today. 1. Qualcomm gives strong forecast, signaling chip slump recovery. Qualcomm, a leading semiconductor and wireless technology company, has announced a strong forecast, indicating a potential recovery in the chip market. This forecast is of significant interest to the tech industry, as it suggests a positive outlook for the semiconductor sector. 2. Disney to buy remaining Hulu stake from Comcast. In widely expected move, the Walt Disney Company is set to acquire the remaining stake in Hulu from Comcast. This move aligns with Disney's strategy to expand its presence in the streaming media market and is widely anticipated within the industry. 3. Vote to expel GOP Rep. George Santos fails in House. To vote to expel GOP Representative George Santos has failed in the House. This political development has significant implications for the composition of the House and the balance of power in Congress. 4. DoubleLine's Gundlach says interest rates are going to fall as recession arrives early 2024. Prominent investor Jeffrey Gundlach, the founder of DoubleLine Capital, has made a prediction that interest rates will decrease as an early recession is anticipated in 2024. This forecast holds economic significance and has implications for financial markets. 5. The majority of the world's most family-friendly airlines are in one continent. A recent study has found that the majority of the world's most family-friendly airlines are located in a single continent. This information is of interest to travelers seeking family-friendly airline options. 6. UK invests $173 million in AI supercomputer as it seeks to compete with U.S. China. The United Kingdom is investing $173 million in an AI supercomputer, signaling its intent to compete with global leaders in artificial intelligence, the United States and China. This investment is expected to have long-term impacts on the AI industry and research. 7. Chinese have startup to Xpeng. Li Auto deliver a record number of cars in October. Chinese electric vehicle EV startups Xpeng and Li Auto have achieved a record number of car deliveries in October. This is indicative of the growth in the Chinese EV market and the competition among new players. 8. Indian travelers are set to be the fourth largest global spenders by 2030. A report suggests that Indian travelers are on track to become the fourth largest global spenders by 2030. This information holds implications for the travel and tourism industry and the global economy. 9. Shell posts $6.2 billion third-quarter profit, announces $3.5 billion share buyback. Oil and gas giant Shell has reported a third-quarter profit of $6.2 billion and has announced $3.5 billion share buyback. This news is significant in the energy sector and for Shell investors. 7. Why one Tesla manager thinks used cars are absolutely pivotal for EVs. A Tesla manager has emphasized the importance of used cars in the electric vehicle EV market. This perspective sheds light on the sustainability and growth of the EV industry. 11. Starbucks stock rises 10 as U.S. customers buy into pricier drinks. Starbucks Corporation saw its stock rise by 10, driven by increased sales of pricier drinks in the U.S. This growth is of interest to investors and reflects changing consumer preferences. 12. How are stocks fared in the past 10 Novembers, the strongest month for the market? This news likely covers the historical performance of stocks in the month of November, which is traditionally considered one of the strongest months for the stock market. It might provide insights into stock market trends and historical data. 13. Moderna stock falls as sinking COVID vaccine demand drives steep loss. Moderna Inc. has reported a decline in its stock price due to reduced demand for COVID-19 vaccines. This development may reflect the changing dynamics of the pandemic and vaccine market. 14. Eli Lilly results top estimates on Mounjaro strength but slashes full-year profit outlook. Eli Lilly and Company reported financial results that exceeded estimates, largely driven by the strength of Mounjaro, a key product. However, the company has also reduced its full-year profit outlook, which may have implications for the pharmaceutical industry. 15. Peloton reports wider-than-expected loss. Bad news on paid subscriptions. Peloton Interactive Inc. has announced a wider-than-expected loss and challenges related to paid subscriptions. This news holds significance for the fitness and technology industry, as it reflects changing consumer behavior. 16. Target CEO says shoppers are pulling back, even on groceries. Target Corporation's CEO has mentioned that shoppers are scaling back their spending, even on essential items like groceries. This insight into consumer behavior may impact the retail sector and the broader economy. 17. Palantir shares pop 20 after its third quarter results beat estimates. Palantir Technologies, Inc. experienced a 20% increase in its shares following the release of third quarter results that exceeded estimates. This stock market development is of interest to investors and tech enthusiasts. 18. Bank of England leaves interest rates at 15-year high, says it's much too early to think about cuts. The Bank of England has decided to keep interest rates at a 15-year high, emphasizing that it's premature to consider rate cuts. This monetary policy decision is relevant to the financial industry and the broader economy. 19. Weight-loss drug Wegovy could get expanded FDA approval within 6 months. Novo Nordisk says Novo Nordisk has stated that its weight-loss drug Wegovy might receive expanded FDA approval within the next 6 months. This potential development holds implications for the pharmaceutical sector and individuals seeking weight-loss treatments. 20. Biden's AI order didn't go far enough to address fairness, but it's a good first step. Advocates have commented on President Biden's executive order related to artificial intelligence, suggesting that while it's a positive first step, it may not go far enough to address issues of fairness and ethics in AI. This perspective is relevant to the AI industry and tech policy. If you're eager to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe now and join our growing community of informed viewers. Don't miss out on my high-quality content. Hit that subscribe and like button, ring the notification bell, and be part of the conversation.